Hello, welcome back to another episode. Here I am today. We are lucky enough to be working now with Clearview, and they have kindly gifted us this 24-piece cutlery set, and we're going to bust it open today, have a look at it and see how it goes. So what's included in it is 4 forks, 4 knives, 4 tablespoons, 4 teaspoons, a chef's knife, a bread knife, a paring knife, a spatula, a serving spoon, tongs, a chopping board, a bottle opener / corkscrew. It's in a gorgeous canvas bag with elastic over your utensils so nothing can fall out, and you can hang it up in your car, in the back of the car. So let's bust it open. We've bought some meat back from Lightning Ridge, and I'm actually going to vacuum seal it now, then pack it in our Bushman's fridge. Hopefully Adrian has switched it over to freezer mode because we need this meat frozen. So here we go. All packaged beautifully. So look at that, how tiny it folds down to. So you've got your Velcro around your handle to keep it all neat. This is impressive. Oh wow, okay, look at that, that is beautiful. So you've got, I'm going to take them all out, you've got, as I said, your elastic strapping. We're just going to unpack these. I've just taken all the covers off, and it's a stainless steel set. The thing I love about the knives is you could cut a steak with this as well. So you don't have to bring 2 sets of knives. Normal knives or steak knives, this will cut a steak. Look at this, like the quality is just amazing. But wait, it gets better. Look at my tongs. They even have, I don't know whether you can see that, a little chef's hat and a little chef's face. Fantastic. So, your bread knife, it's just awesome. Huge serving spoon, huge spatula, your bottle opener, the chopping board. What I'm going to do now, because Adrian's arms are longer than mine, I'm going to get him to clip it to the car and just show you how easy and neat this set is. Look at that. The convenience of that in your car, just being able to hang it up when you're cooking, it is bloody fantastic. Because I do all the cooking, this is probably my new favourite thing for camping, especially how compact it is and how you can pack it up and just throw it in the back of your car. And you don't necessarily have to take it camping all the time. You can take it on picnics. If you wanted to, you could even use it at home. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to package our meat. I brought my vacuum sealer with me. I'm going to grab the chopping board, the knife, and then we're going to start sealing meat. So what I'm going to do now is grab my knife, my chopping board, a gorgeous system here from KO Design House with this table. Fits our fridge, our massive drawer, but we will do another separate video on that. I have washed my hands, etc. Look how big that piece of meat is. So I want to try and get 4 pieces out of this. Did you just see how easy that knife was? So 1 piece. There's no effort in it. We'll give that piece to Adrian. Look at that. Okay, one-handed. Well, actually, no, because it's a bit slippery. Look at that. These knives are super sharp. They are fantastic. Probably even better than the knives I have at home. So what I've done, I normally buy these bags and I've already labelled them. So I've got my little rumpy rumps. Just pop them in, just so they're nice and flat.
So this is what we do when we're on the road. Got a little vacuum sealer, we bought some meat. Deb will seal them all up. Got it set to freeze. And all this meat will get packed nicely into the Bushmans in meal size things. Set to -16. And it's bloody awesome. We love our Bushman's fridge. Low power draw, freezers, best on the market.
So I've just finished all my vacuum sealing and there is 16 mils in here and it's not even half full. So this little fridge holds a lot, and I might get Adrian to just come over and show you. Like, that's half full. I could fit probably double that in there, but you've really got to pack it strategically when you're vacuum sealing. But it's the camping go-to, isn't it, to fit more in your fridge. I absolutely love this fridge, and it is on freeze now. So by the time we get home, it will all be frozen, ready to go in our home freezer. So I've just finished using the Clearview for my meal preparation. I'm just going to get my trusty assistant here to pop it down for me, and then I'll just show you how quickly it is to roll up. So it's so easy to pack away. I find it easier to do your clippies up first. And then your little carry handle. And we are all ready for dinner. So thank you so much, Clearview, for sharing your product with us. We absolutely love it and can't wait to get out in the nitty-gritty using this product.